Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the chapter change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. And the topic to be explained to you in this chapter is capital employed. How to calculate capital employed? It will be explained to you today. For explaining this topic, I will take the help of one practical question of D.K. Goyal, that is question number 13th. I am showing you this question from D.K. Goyal. Just you can take the screenshot of the same question which I am going to show you, because this question is present in only new edition book. Okay, if you are having the old edition book, then this question will be absent in your book. Okay, just take the screenshot of the same question. Now, reading out the question. Find out capital employed from the following information. What we need to find? Capital employed. We need to just find the capital employed. Okay. Now, in order to calculate the capital employed, I have used one formula here. Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiply normal rate of return upon 100. If we are given with, or we can get the figures related to normal profit and normal rate of return, then we can easily calculate the third missing figure related to capital employed. So let us see that in the question, figures related to which item is given, mentioned in the question. Reading out the question. Normal rate of return, it is 12%. Okay. Normal profit is not given to you. I have put here the figure related to normal rate of return. It is 12%. Okay. But the figure related to normal profit is not mentioned in the question. And to calculate normal profit, whatever essentials are required, whatever essentials are needed, that is given in the question. One more formula we are just using in order to calculate normal profit. Just see the formula. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. Now, in this formula, figures related to three items should be present: super profit, average profit and normal profit. In the question, neither normal profit is given, which is to be found in the question, which is the missing figure. Average profit we can easily find. How? For calculating average profit, whatever essentials are needed, they are given in the question. Right? So first of all, find out average profit. The very first missing the figure, that is missing figure, average profit, we are going to calculate. Average profit, for average profit I have written the formula. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. Let us see the profit of how many years is mentioned in the question. Profit of 3 years, 2017, 18, 18, 19 and 19, 20. 3 years profit is mentioned in the question. So let us use these 3 years profit, 80,000, 1,30,000 and 1,56,000 for calculating the average profit. See. 80,000, 1,30,000, 1,56,000 upon 3, we are getting 1,22,000 as average profit. The very first missing figure we have got to be put in the formula. Average profit is equal to 1,22,000. Normal profit, for it the essentials are not given. So let us calculate first super profit. For calculating super profit, whatever requirements are there, it is mentioned in the question. So for calculating super profit also we need one formula. ठीक है, just see the formula. Goodwill is equal to number of years purchased multiplies super profit. Okay, number of years for which the profit was mentioned in the question, it was 3. And in the question also, just see the question. In the question also, goodwill is mentioned. Goodwill valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. And goodwill is 1,50,000. It is mentioned in the question. So, in place of goodwill, we will writing the answer or figure related to goodwill mentioned in the question of 1,50,000. Number of years purchased was 3. It is mentioned in the line which just now I read from the question. Goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. Means 3 multiplied by super profit. When super profit is multiplied by 3, then we got the answer 1,50,000. Okay. Right. Now, let us simplify this equation. 1,50,000, 3 will be placed on the left hand side denominator in the denominator when its place will be changed. Okay, in the form of x upon y. Okay, 1,50,000 upon 3, we will get the super profit. The next figure also we have got for keep putting in the formula. Okay, right? So in this formula, we have written 50,000 as super profit. Okay, right? 1,22,000 is the average profit. Now let us simplify this equation. We will get the answer normal profit, and it is 72,000 rupees. Normal profit also we have got. Now let us put this 72,000 rupees normal profit in the very first formula for calculating the capital employed. Okay, right? Normal profit is 72,000. Capital employed we need to find out. 12% is the normal rate of return as mentioned in the question. Now we are going to simplify this equation. We will get the answer 6 lakh rupees as capital employed. So this was the solution of the question. Just take the screenshot of this explanation in 3 parts. Take the screenshot of the very first part. Now take the screenshot of this part. Now finally take the third part screenshot. Once again I am showing you. If you have not taken the screenshot, take the screenshot of the very first part. Take the screenshot of the second part. Now take the screenshot of the third part. So this was the solution of the question number 13th of D.K. Goyal. Okay. Very important question, right? A new type of calculation was, a new type of method was explained to you today. Okay, I explained you. Now, after this, you try to just solve question number 11, not 11, question number 12 yourself. Question number 12, you try to solve yourself. If any problem occurs, then you can just get the solution of your problem, contact me on my personal WhatsApp number. Many students are asking their problems and they are getting the solution of their problems with full satisfaction. Okay, so that's all for today. The link, the YouTube link related to the explanation which I gave you today will be shared with you on your class group, that is 11th class or 12th class group. The video will be shared with you. Okay, repeatedly you need to watch the video. More you will be watching the video, more the explanation will be clear to you. Okay, you will become perfect while watching the video repeatedly, and try to solve the question yourself also by hiding the solution. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.